want to continue exercise 2 star with a word problem. Look at here. So exercise 9. Two numbers have an HCF of 84 and LCM of 4620. Both numbers are larger than the HCF, means both numbers is larger than 84. Find the two numbers. So how can we find these two numbers? Look at here, guys. Exercise number 9. So we don't know this numbers is which number. That's why we should take A and B instead of the numbers. So HCF of A and B, HCF of A and B is equal to what? 84, yeah? Then LCM of A and B is 4620. Guys, it's unknown numbers, and we should take this one. A is greater than 84 and B greater than 84 as well. So now I want to show this one. We have a rule for HCF and LCM. You know that the multiplication of HCF AB multiplied by LCM A and B is equal to A multiplied by B, and this rule works only if the numbers are the same for the LCM and HCM. Then we can say this is equal to A multiplied by B. That's why the multiplication is equal to A multiplied by B means what's what's HCF is 84. And what's LCM? 4620. But you don't need to multiply these two numbers by each other. Guys, if you divide this number by 84, you can see this is equal to 84 multiplied. This numbers is 84 multiplied by 55, because this number can divide by 84 55 times. That's why I just write instead of this number 84 multiplied by 55. Guys, then you need to find the factors, this multiplication with the factors always. For example, 84 is what? So I can write without the factoring, but I want to show you. 84 is what? 242 times, 221 times, 2 not, that's why 3, 7 times, and 7 1 times. That's it. So the factors of 84 is what? 2 power 2, because we have 2. Then we have 1 3, we have 1 7. Again, it's 84. That's why we should write the same thing. Multiply by 2 power 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 7. And we know 55 is prime numbers. That's why it is 5 times 11. So can we write like that? 2 power 2 times 2 power 2 means 2 power 4, because we should add the indices because our base are the same. Then multiply by 3 times 3 is 3 power 2. Don't write 9. Right? Your base should be the prime number. That's why you need to write like indices, with index notation. Then 7 power 2. Then multiply by 5. Multiply by 11. Why I want to show you with this factorizing form? Because we can see easily. So our number for the HCF, we should take the same factors. Did you remember about this? For the HCF, we choose the same factors. That's why if we look at here, we have here 284. That's why if I take for the HCF 84, so I mean the number of one of them, A, B is 84. That's why one of them should be 84 multiplied by 5, and the other one, I'm sorry, what's that? And the other one, B, is 84 multiplied by 11. That's it. Guys, that's it. Because the multiplication of the HCF and LCM is this. If it's multiplication, you should know that we have 284 here. Or if you confuse like that, you can write 84 instead of this, 84 multiplied by 84 multiplied by 5 and 11. So 5 and 11 is different factors. That's why if you want to find the numbers, real numbers, you need to take 184 multiplied by 5 and the other one multiplied by 11. That's it. Then you can get the real number like A and B, okay? So 84 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? I think 420 da, yeah? 400, how can I write? 420 for A, and for B, 84 plus just 84, 4, and then 2, then 9. So that's it. So our A gonna be what? 420, and B gonna be 924. That's it. Okay, this one is the solution of 9. I hope you can understand. Then guys, I advise to you, I recommend to you, you can write the question again and then try to solve without watching this. First watch and try to understand, then try to write yourself, because then you can get and realize the meaning of the question. So now I want to explain you number 10. Number 10, guys, a new school is deciding, oh my god, what's it? A new school is deciding whether their lessons should be 30, 50, or 60 minutes long. Then each lesson duration fits exactly into the total teaching time of each school day. So variant A, why it's not good? Variant A is how long is the total teaching time of each school day, and variant B, could there be more than one answer? Give a reason for your answer. So now listen carefully. Okay, so number 10, a new school teaching. The lesson should be 30 minutes, 50 minutes, or 60 minutes. So we need to find for the variant A, how long is the total teaching time of each school day. So if we want to find the total teaching day, guys, this is, we need to find the LCM for the 30, 50, and 60. Okay, because you can ask me, teacher, how can we know this? This is LCM or HCF? Guys, for the total teaching time, it should be bigger one, big number, because if you take the smaller one, for example, 30 minutes, 30 is not a total one. For the total means that number should be divided by all of them. Think like that, okay? When you see this type of question. For example, how can we find the HCF? Again, 30 over 2, 15 times by 3, 5 times by 5, 1 times. 50 by 5, 10 times. Oh, I'm sorry, why not 5? By 2, 25 times. I'm so sorry. Then 25 by 5, 5 times, and 5 by 5, 1 times. Then 60 by 2, 30 times, by 2, 15 times, by 3, 5 times, by 5, 1 times. That's it. Then for the LCM, you know, we should choose the biggest one, which one is the 60, equal to 60 multiplied by, then look at here, which factors are different than or more than to these factors. So 2, we have 1, 2 here, so we don't need 5, we have 1 5, but one more 5, so multiply by that. Then here 2 we have, 5 again we have, 3 we have, so we don't need to take any things from 30. So 60 multiplied by 5 is what? 300. That's it, it's the answer. But it's for the variant A. But for the variant B, they ask, could there be more than one answer? Yes, it could be, because for example, 300 our answer, but 600 also our answer. 600 can divide by both of them. 600 also the total teaching time. Because if they ask you because, why, you can reply like that, because 600 can divide by 30, by 50, by 60 as well. And it's also the total time. Or you can show like that, HCF, LCM is 300. Then if you multiply by 2, it's gonna be 600. If we multiply by 3, it's gonna be 900. Or if we multiply by 5, it's gonna be 1500. It's also possible, but they write one possible answer. That's why I just take one of them, 600, and I don't need to take 900 or 1500 like that. Okay, so that's it. And this is number 10, A and B. And also now number 11, guys. Number 11, I want to show you the exercise. Number 11, Tom and Harry are racing go-charts. Tom takes 2 minutes 8 seconds to complete a lap, while Harry takes 2 minutes to complete the lap. They both start from the start line at the same time. When will they next cross the start line together? So listen again carefully, because it's so important. So we have 2 minutes and 8 seconds, and this is for Tom, and Harry 2 minutes. Okay, but guys, look at here. We have 2 minutes 8 seconds, but we need to find the same measurement. For example, this is minutes, this is seconds, but we should convert 2 minutes. How can we convert to the seconds? For example, 2 minutes. You can convert to the seconds as well, but to the minutes as well. But I prefer to convert to the seconds, because with the seconds you can find easily. So 2 minutes. 1 minute is what? 1 minute is 60 seconds, yes? So, can I write 2 times 60, because we have 2 minutes? Then, additionally, we should add 8 seconds, because 8 already is with the seconds. That's why we don't need to convert. So, 2 times 60, 120, plus 8, 128. Then, for the Harry, this is 2 minutes, so 2 times 60 is 120, and both of them with the seconds. So, guys, the question is like that. When will they next cross the start line together? When will they next cross start line together? So, how can we find it? But be careful, they wrote there, they both start from the start line at the same time. Look at here. They both start from the start line at the same time. So when will they next cross the start line together? So if you see this type of question, guys, you need to know that you should find the HCF of, LCM of these numbers. So how can we find the LCM of these numbers? 128 divided by 2, 64 times. Or guys, you can find like that. 128 is 2 power 7. So actually you don't need to write like this, but if you don't know, you can find the factors like this method. by 2 32, by 2 16, by 2 8, by 2 4, by 2 2 2, and 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2. And the other one is 120, like 2 6 times, by 2 30 times, by 2 15, by 2 not, by 3 5 times, by 5 1 times. That's it. So we need to find what LCM. For the LCM, we should choose the biggest one. Biggest one is 128. So 128 multiplied by what? So which factors are the different? So 3, 2, we have 7, 2. So that's what we don't need. And 3 and 5. Here we don't have 3 and 5, so we should take the both of them. Multiply by 3, multiply by 5. Okay, so 128 multiplied by what? Multiply by 15. Okay, so 128 multiplied by 15 is what? 5 times 40, 0, 4. Here I just multiply. 5 times 2, which one is 10? Then 4 here, and 1 is there. And then, okay, so 6 and 128, 0, 2, 6, 9, 1. So it's equal 1920 seconds. But the answer with the seconds, you can see, you can check your answer, and it's maybe it's one with the seconds is 1920, or with they can give the answer with the minutes, but it depends on you. If you write with the seconds, it's true, or if you want, you can convert to the minutes. Both of them is true, both of them your answer. So if you want to convert to the minutes, you should divide this number by 60. So 192 divided by 60, what times? 3 times, then 80, 12, 0, which one is 2? So the answer also is equal 32 minutes. Okay, so this is the answer of 11. Okay.